Little garage mechanic vehicles repair workshop.
Remove all the parts. Do it carefully. Well done. That's nice. Let's transform it into a crane. Well done. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Hey, the crane is ready. Time to repair it.
Be careful.
Well done. Place the block of road properly. That's perfect. You're going good. Hey, it's done. Time to go. Bye. Oh, so much garbage. Wow. Put it in the bin. You're going good. Time to transform the crane into a gradually. Remove all the parts carefully. Wow. Well done. Do it gradually.
Be careful.
Very good. Let's set up the garbage truck. Oh, that's Dr. Sid's garage. But where is Dr. Sid? He's feeding the birds. There is a garbage truck. Oh, the garbage truck is a bit upset. He doesn't like his job. Let's do some transformation. Yay! We will convert it into a dumper. Remove the body parts of the garbage truck. Aha! Lovely! It has transformed into a dumper. Now you can go on your job. Look, the excavator is waiting for you. Time to take some soil and put it in the dumper. Very good. Empty all the soil here. Great work! have you come again? You don't like your dumper job either. Let's transform you into a cement mixer. Let's put all the parts of the cement mixer. It's ready. Time to go to the construction site. Oh, a building is being built here. You need to make the cement. Wow, your cement will help in the construction. Great. He needs to cross the road. Oh, the lights are red. You can't cross the road. Look, the light is green now. Look on both the sides of the road and then cross. Hey, Dr. Sid has crossed the road. The green lights are on for the vehicles to move. There is something wrong with the car. Let's call the tow truck. Hey, here is Dr. Sid's garage. Open the hood of the car. This device will check the battery. Ah, there is no charge in the battery. The battery has to be charged. Very good. Join the wires to the battery. Switch on the battery charger. Wait for a while. Look, the light is green now. This shows the battery of the car is charged. Hooray! It's ready!
Always check the batteries before the drive.
The car is on the drive. Switch on the headlights. Oh, it's almost evening. Look, it's dark now. The lights are not working. It's not safe to drive without lights. Let's stop here only. Drive when there is daylight. It's morning. The car needs to go to the Dr. Sid's gas. Oh, here is Dr. Sid. Hi. Let's get the lights checked. Switch on the side lights. That's correct. They're working properly. Oh, the rear lights are working properly. Time to check the headlights now. Let's remove them. Let's repair them. Need to open it first. Oh, need to change the bulbs.
Put new bulbs.
Very good. Let's fix it back. Kindly check the headlights now. Oh, they're working. Doctor said you're so clever. You did a great job. Bye-bye. We'll visit you again.